Search engine optimization is the practice of optimizing website content and technical structure in order to increase the quantity and quality of organic traffic from search engines like Google, Bing and Yahoo. As more and more people use the internet to find products, services, and information, it's becoming increasingly important for businesses to have a strong online presence. One way to achieve this is through SEO. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can improve its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs. To do this, SEO practitioners use various techniques such as keyword research, meta tags, backlinks, and content optimization. Keyword research involves identifying the words and phrases that people use when searching for products or services related to your business. These keywords are then integrated into the website's content, meta tags, and images. Backlinks, or links from other websites to your website, also play an important role in SEO. When a website links to your site, it's like a vote of confidence for your site, and search engines take notice. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more likely your site is to rank well in search engine results. Finally, content optimization is essential to SEO. This includes creating high-quality, relevant, and informative content that is regularly updated. Search engines love fresh content and will reward you with a higher ranking if your site is regularly updated with new, relevant content. In conclusion, SEO is an important aspect of digital marketing and can greatly improve your website's visibility and ranking in search engine results pages. By using techniques such as keyword research, backlinks, and content optimization, you can increase the quantity and quality of organic traffic to your website. This can ultimately lead to more conversions, revenue and success for your business.